कांय दीस पयलीं दवरले रुमडामळ हाऊसिंग बोर्ड वाठारात डेंग्यू जावन एका सान भुरग्याक मरण आयिल्ले। गोमंतक टीव्हीन हे घडणुकेचेर उजवाड घातिल्लो। हे बातमेची दखल घेत भलायकी खात्यान बिरेस्तारा दवरले रुमडामळ हाऊसिंग बोर्ड वाठाराची पळोवणी केली। ह्या वाठारात कोयराच्यो राशी साचून रावल्यात। नितळसाण म्हणटा ती दिश्टीच पडना। कोयराक लागून जळारां पसपाचें प्रमाण वाडला। ताका लागून डेंग्यू आणि हेर साथीची दुयेंसां पातळपाचो भंय निर्माण जाला। ह्या मुद्द्याचेरूय गोमंतक टीव्हीन उजवाड घातिल्लो।
Now we realize that there is a problem in Rumdamau because of the garbage, and unfortunate incident has also happened here in this area just facing this. So amka popat ashile actually health officer, he has written so many letters to the panchayat and but now we have realized that some of the area is under housing board which we were not aware. So now we are going to issue health officer of Purtorim will issue this to the housing board. There is panchayat also. There are a lot of houses which have been tenants are there and the doors are locked, so we do not know whether there are any barrels inside with which are open, which could be breeding. And there's a lot of garbage and all thrown here, where there could be collection of this rainwater. And for dengue, little, even 5 ml of water is enough to breed. And we can get hundreds of eggs in that. A mosquito can lie, and that may be a lot of cases. And here, since there is a lot of clustering, congestion in this area of people staying, you can get an upsurge because dengue happen. The cases don't happen isolated; they always happen in clusters. And here there's a lot of congestion. So he is going to write today to panchayat so that they take action on this.
So what is important is when we have an inspection like this, we identify what we call the grey areas, where there could be overlapping responsibility, and there is sometimes a feeling that I'm not supposed to do, some other department is supposed to do. So through this inspection, we will map out what are the areas which are overlapping, and also we have noticed no boards are here. For example, there is I think MRF set up there by the panchayat. There is no board. There has to be a board with the contractor's name, mobile number, etc. So these are things, these deficiencies which are there. We will straight away pursue them to see in the next 30 days they are first of all dealt with. And I feel that if we look at some of the lacunas that are here, we can see that we can address this thing at the taluka level meeting which is going to happen. Block meeting is happening on 10th of July, which will be chaired by the Deputy Collector. I will personally pursue these matters before the Deputy Collector. So during the Salset block meeting, these issues will be taken together with other panchayats. So these cases are not repeated.
पंचायत दर दिसा कोयर उखलता। हाऊसिंग बोर्डातले मेकळे जागेत लोक राती कडेन कोयर हाडून उडयतात। ताका लागून साथीची दुयेंसां पातळतात। हे सुवातेर आता कॅमेरा बसयतले आणि कोयर उडोवप्यांचेर कारवाय करतले म्हूण थळावो पंच समीउल्ला फणीबंद हांणी सांगले।
आयज पणजेच्यान टास्क फोर्स आयिल्लो अलॉंग विथ आमी पंचायत आनी हेल्थ सगळ्यांनी मेळून आज जॉयंट इन्स्पेक्शन केला। इन्स्पेक्शन करतना कळून आला की हांगा 3 लोकांची जमीन आसा। एक पंचायतीची आसा, गोवा हाऊसिंग बोर्ड आसा आनी कमुलदाद आसा। आता पंचायत कितें आहा आपले जमनीचे सगळे वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट ते मॅनेज करून ते कायदेशीर उडयता। आता जाता कितें मेन आज गोवा हाऊसिंग बोर्डाची वेकंट लँड आहा। लोक कितें करता रातच्यान येवन चोरेनी थंय कितें गार्बेज डंप बिम करून वयता। ते तेन्ना आमी तो कंट्रोल करपा जायना। दिसाचे हाल आमी कशें पण हँडल करता आनी लोकूय कांय खबर नासता राती येता आनी उडोवन येता म्हणल्यार हेजेर आमकां येता। आज इतलो व्हडलो एक धाकलो एक भुरगो एक्सपायर जाला। आयची सगळे ब्लेम पंचायतीचेर येता आनी पंचायत आमी आमचे कडेन जाता तशें आमी सगळे कंट्रोल करता आनी लोकांनी मातशें चिंतपा जाय कितें तुमची गार्बेज कशी आतां कशी सेग्रेट करून ते उडोवपा जाय आनी चोऱ्यांनी हांगा थंय उडयचें न्हू। आतां आमी कितें करता आतां गोवा हाऊसिंग बोर्ड बी हांचे आमी कॅमेरा बसोवन थंय लोकांक हे करतले आनी कोण सापडटा तांकां आमी फायन दितले आनी जे लोक इलिगली कितें करता तेंचेर आमी स्ट्रिक्ट कारवाई करतले आनी मेन जाता तितले आमचे रुमडामळ आमी क्लिनिनेस करपाचे आमी ट्राय करतले।
गोमंतक टीव्ही खातीर रुमडामळच्यान भीमा पाटील।